Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is trigonometric identities. In this we will discuss the trigonometric identities, some of the important identities. Let us start the session. So first identity is your sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay. So basically you have to remember all this in this pattern only. Okay. So this is sine square theta plus cos square theta. From here you can easily derive all the patterns, like what will be your sine square theta value. Sine square theta will be your 1 minus cos square theta, like this. All the variation you can find easily from here. Similarly, you can write of cos square theta minus 1 can be written as minus of sine square theta. Okay, just for that you have to remember this basic one. Now next one is your sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Okay, so this is your sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1, and you can easily derive like sec square theta minus 1 is equals to tan square theta. Okay, or you can write sec square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta, like that. Okay, now the third identity you should remember is cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. Okay, from here you can derive like what is the value of cosec square theta. It will be written as 1 plus cot square theta. What will be the value of cot square theta? It will be cosec square theta minus 1 is equals to cot square theta. Okay, so you have to remember this, because all the questions based on these identities, they will be asked not directly. Just you have to substitute these values in any form, this pattern in any form, so that you can easily solve the questions. Okay, so let us check some examples. Let us say I have 1 minus sine square theta sec square theta is equals to 1. I have to prove, okay, to show. So this is in my LHS side and this is my RHS side. So I have to solve my LHS. 1 minus sine square theta into sec square theta. So what will be 1 minus sine square theta? What will be 1 minus sine square theta? See, we know the identity that, okay, so I write in different ink. I write with different ink. So we know that our cos square theta plus sine square theta is equals to 1. Okay. So now what will be 1 minus sine square theta? How it can be written? It can be written like 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta. That means I can substitute my 1 minus sine square theta as cos square theta here. Okay. So it will be written as cos square theta into sec square theta. Clear? So what is cos square theta into sec square theta? Means 1 upon cos square theta. Now cancel it. So we know that sec square theta, sec theta is 1 by cos theta. Since it is square, so it will be written as cos square theta. Cancel it, you will get your answer 1. So this is how, the help of trigonometric identities, we can solve the equations. Okay. Now let us check another example. If we have cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta is equals to 1. We have to show this. Okay. So my LHS part and my RHS part, first I will segregate my LHS and RHS portion. So my LHS is cos square theta into 1 plus tan square theta, and my RHS portion is 1. Okay. So using the identity, since we know that our sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Okay. So what will be the sec square theta value? 1 plus tan square theta. Okay. So 1 plus tan square theta value will be what? 1 plus tan square theta value will be sec square theta. So we will write this as cos square theta into sec square theta. And we know that cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta, or sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay, that basically that they are reciprocal of each other. They are reciprocal of each other. So you can change any of this to this to their value, basic value. So what will be sec theta? Sec theta will be written as 1 by cos theta, but since it is according to the square, it will be written as cos square theta. So cancel it and we will get our answer 1. Okay. Okay, let's take another example. What is the value of, what will be the answer, cos x square theta plus sec square theta? We have to show this as cos x square theta into sec square theta. Okay, so my LHS part is my LHS part and this is my RHS part. What is my LHS? Cos x square theta plus sec square theta. Okay, my RHS part is it. So since we know that cosec theta and sin theta, they are reciprocal of each other, so it will be written as sin square theta and it will be written as 1 upon cos square theta. Okay, so now we will take the LCM. So what will be the LCM of sin square theta and cos square theta? Product of this is they both are different. So product of this, now we will do sin square theta and cos square theta. This will be divided by this. Sin square theta get cancelled. You will get cos square theta. So 1 into cos square theta will be cos square theta plus cos square theta gets cancelled. 1 into sin square theta will be sin square theta. So we got our answer. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 upon sin square theta into cos square theta. So we got our value. So here we will segregate this into 1 upon cos square theta. And what is 1 upon sin square theta? What is the value of this? Is your cos x square theta. Cos x square theta. And what is 1 by cos square theta? This is your sec square theta. So they are the product. So we got our proof, that is what they ask in the RHS. So this is how we have to use the trigonometric identities to solve these equations. So I hope you understood that understood the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro profile app. Till then, revise and then let's meet in the next session. Thank you.